So hello students. So welcome back students. Now today in this video we will discuss about the first chapter of chemistry, that is of class 10th, chemical reaction and equation. Now what we will discuss in this video. We were discussing in the live video about the different types of reactions. In this video we will discuss about the different types of reactions, and we were discussing in the live video about the thermal decomposition reaction. We have seen combination reaction and decomposition reaction. In decomposition reaction also we have seen three types: thermal decomposition reaction, photolytic decomposition reaction, and electrolytic decomposition reaction. Now we will discuss some activity based on these three different types of decomposition reactions. So our first activity was that we have already seen in the live class. So I am discussing that for thermal decomposition. So activity for thermal decomposition. Activity for thermal decomposition. Thermal means the breakdown of the substance with the help of heat. Activity for thermal decomposition. So what happens in thermal decomposition? A substance is taken and we provide the heat to that substance, and that substance breaks into two or more simple products. So breaking of substance or decomposing a substance into two or more simple products, with the help of heat, that is known as thermal decomposition. For example, first we take ferrous sulfate crystals. These are green colored crystals. Green color crystals. This is a salt which has green color crystals. Its salt has some crystals which are of green color. Now this ferrous sulfate salt is heated strongly. This is the symbol of heating. Now this is heated strongly. When it is heated strongly at a particular temperature, it decomposes to give Fe2O3 plus sulfur dioxide plus sulfur trioxide gas. These are two gases: sulfur dioxide with sulfur trioxide. Sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So these are two gases, and these both gases smells like burning sulfur. It smells like burning sulfur. जैसे सल्फर बंद हो रहा हो तो क्रैकिंग की स्मेल होती है. Smells like burning sulfur. And this residue means after decomposing, when it gets decomposed, we are left with this substance having reddish brown color. That is ferric oxide, and also two gases will be involved: sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide, which will escape into the surrounding. So this is the thermal decomposition of ferrous sulfate. So when ferrous sulfate is taken in a test tube and it is heated, then it decomposes. Some cracking noise will be heard by you initially. You will hear some noise, crackling noise. That is the indication that this substance is decomposing. Now when it decomposes, it gives reddish brown color, and ash or the residue is left behind, which is of reddish brown color, which is ferric oxide. And some gases are evolved from that: sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide, which we can smell easily, and that smells like burning sulfur. So this is thermal decomposition. Another one is, for example, for thermal decomposition. There is one more important reaction for thermal decomposition, that is lead nitrate, decomposition of lead nitrate. So decomposition of lead nitrate, we will see how it happens. Decomposition of lead nitrate with the help of heat. Decomposition of lead nitrate with the help of heat is thermal decomposition. So this is our lead nitrate, PbNO3. This substance is called lead nitrate, PbNO3. Suppose this is heated strongly in presence of heat, It is very strongly heated in presence of air. Now what happens when it is heated? We will hear some noise, cracking noise. That means that is the indication that this substance is being decomposed. Now the substance has started decomposing. When you hear that noise, okay, crackling noise, you will hear when it is heated. Now at a particular temperature it decomposes to give lead oxide. This is the yellow color. Okay, this is yellow color residue. Yellow color residue. Residue means the substance that is left behind after the complete decomposition of this substance. When this substance decomposes completely, a yellow color substance is left behind, that is called residue. A yellow color residue is left behind, and this substance is called lead oxide. This is lead oxide. Also, we will see brown fumes are coming out of the test tube. Brown fumes. So that brown fumes are of nitrogen dioxide. So nitrogen dioxide gas will be one. That is nitrogen dioxide gas. Nitrogen dioxide gas will be one, which are having brown fumes. The brown fumes means if you observe the brown fumes of a gas, that means it is confirmed that gas is nitrogen dioxide. Okay, the brown fumes are of nitrogen dioxide. You will observe coming out of the test tube when this substance is decomposed or heated. Okay, now in addition to this, we will get the oxygen also. But oxygen is colorless and odorless, so we cannot smell it, we cannot see it. Okay, along with this brown fumes, oxygen will also be evolved. So you can see here, now this is balanced chemical equation. This is lead nitrate. Okay, taken in test tube in a small amount, and when it is heated at a high temperature, okay, some cracking noise you will hear. That means it has started decomposing. So when it starts decomposing, when it has fully decomposed, you will be left behind with a substance of yellow color, that is known as residue, and that is formula is PbO. That means lead oxide. That is yellow color substance. This residue is left behind in the test tube, along with the release of two gases, that is brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide gas will be seen coming out from the test tube, and also the oxygen gas, which is colorless and odorless and also tasteless. Okay, now you can see here. So this is the thermal decomposition of, we have seen lead nitrate, and the thermal decomposition of ferrous sulfate. Okay, so you can see here, these are the two very important activities in your NCERT notebook. You have to learn these two equations very clearly. Okay, it's very important, these two reactions. Now what we will see, we will see the activity for the photolytic decomposition. Photolytic decomposition. Photolytic decomposition. Photolytic means the breaking of substance with the help of sunlight. Photo means light. Okay, light की help से break करना. So photolytic decomposition means when we put a substance, okay, sensitive substance or compound in presence of sunlight, then that substance absorbs the sunlight and decomposes that substance, okay, into two or more simple products, and that decomposition will be called as photolytic decomposition. Means decomposition of a simple substance into two or more simple substances or products with the help of sunlight, that is known as photolytic. For example, we take some amount of AgCl, that is silver chloride. Okay, this is white solid. So we have to make its powder, and we have to take this powder few quantity, just 5 to 10 gram quantity of this white powder AgCl, and in a tray or in a china dish, okay, or in a container. Then what we have to do, we have to keep this tray or the china dish which contains AgCl in powder form in presence of sunlight. So after some time, you will see that this white color will change into grey color. Okay, the substance will get converted into grey color. That means the AgCl has decomposed in presence of sunlight, and on decomposition it gives what? That is silver, that is in solid form, which is of grey color. So white color will change into grey color. That means decomposition is taking place. So Ag silver you will get, plus chlorine gas will be involved, which escape into the surrounding. Okay, chlorine gas will escape into surrounding. So this is the photolytic decomposition of silver chloride. white color solid. That name is silver chloride. And another activity is AgBr. So AgBr means silver bromide. That is silver bromide. So this is of yellow color solid. This is yellow color solid. Now what we have to do? We have to make a powder of this yellow color solid AgBr. Again, that take some quantity of this powder in china dish and keep that china dish or that tray in presence of sunlight. Again, you will see this yellow color will change into grey color. Okay, what will happen when this powder, yellow color powder, is kept in presence of sunlight? So it will again decompose. Okay, and it will get converted into silver, then converts into grey color, and also along with the release of bromine gas, which escape into the surrounding. So these are the two equations which confirms that the photolytic decomposition has taken place, that is decomposition with the help of sunlight. These two reactions are very important as these are used in above reactions are used in black and white photography. Above these reactions are used in black and white photography. Black and white photography. And the last activity was of, that is electrolytic decomposition. Electrolytic decomposition means decomposition of a substance with the help of electricity. That we have seen in the previous online live class. That is decomposition of water. That is third one, and the last one, electrolytic decomposition. Activity 4, electrolytic decomposition. Decomposition of water. For example, decomposition of water with the help of current. So when electricity is passed through water, what we get? We get two gases. That is hydrogen at cathode, which is a negative electron, plus oxygen at anode, which is positive electron. So apparatus for this is, suppose this is our beaker, okay, in which water is taken. Okay, we have two test tubes, okay, which are kept in inverted position. इसको हमने उल्टा रखा हुआ है in inverted position, and these are also filled with water. Okay, in this test tube we have taken two electrodes made up of graphite. These are the two electrodes made up of graphite, and in this test tube these are the electrodes. This is a test tube. Okay, now these are the electrodes. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Now what we will do? Now connect these with the help of battery. Now this positive terminal is connected with this electrode. So this is anode, positive, and this negative terminal is connected with this electrode, that is negative. Negative is connected with negative electrode, that is cathode. This is our cathode, and this is our anode. So, and this is our water, acidified water. Some amount of dilute H2SO4 is added to water so that it may conduct electricity. Some amount of few drops of H2SO4 is added to pure water, because pure water is not a good conductor of electricity. So to make it conductive, we have to add few drops of H2SO4 to water. Now this water is also present inside the glass, the inverted test tube, and in this inverted test tube water is present along with the two electrodes, okay, cathode and anode, made up of graphite electrode. So when electricity is passed through these electrodes, this water starts decomposing, and at cathode we get this hydrogen, and at anode we will see the bubbles of this oxygen gas. So this is called electrolytic decomposition of water. So these are the activities which you have to learn, okay, and very important activities, has been asked many times in your board exam also. So I hope you have understood this. So we will see the different types of reaction in the next video. Till then, thank you.